I don't think there's one 3-season cottager in Ontario who hasn't asked this very question. Unfortunately, however, the answer is probably not what you want to hear. Disconnecting your hydro over the winter months not only won't save you money, it will actually cost you money. Here's the reason. If you were to cancel your service, Ontario Hydro would come to your cottage and they would collect all their equipment, meters, poles, transformers, and then in the spring, when you wanted to reconnect, they would come back and they would reinstall all that very same equipment. As you might imagine, the cost of doing all of this is significantly more than what it would be to keep your service connected during those fallow months. All that said, there are a few ways to save a couple bucks without going to that whole song and dance. So, when you leave your cottage at the end of each season, turn off the power at the breaker. Also, be sure to turn off all of your appliances and your electronics. Unplug them, or else they might be drawing that sneaky phantom power. This way, you will only pay for your delivery charge plus tax. Here is another thought for you. Consider going off-grid. Yes, you'll pay more for equipment and installation costs up front, but the costs of those things are coming down as technology improves rapidly and there are more installers coming online. And I 100% guarantee you that the sun will never charge you a delivery fee.